5 seconds to go. Start. Thus, in the aforesaid certificate, the date of birth is shown to be 23rd October 2003. Stop. Our attention was thereafter drawn to an extract of the admission withdrawal register of the primary department school, Modern Public Higher Secondary School, which is at page 15.8 of the paper book annexure P3, wherein the name of the respondent is at serial number 1757 and the date of birth is shown to be 23rd October 2003. Stop. Para. After highlighting the contradictions in the date of birth as above, the learned senior counsel invited our attention to the Jammu and Kashmir Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Rules, 2014, for short, the Rules 2014, more particularly Rule 74. Stop. Rule 74 is with respect to the determination of age. Stop. Although what is relevant for our purpose is sub rule 3 of Rule 74 of the rules, 2014, yet we deem it appropriate to reproduce the entire Rule 74, which reads thus, para. Whenever an alleged offender who appears to be below the age of 21 years is produced before a court, note being the board, it shall on the very first date of production question the alleged offender about his age, satisfy itself that he is not a juvenile, make a note of its findings and order immediate transfer of the matter to the board where necessary. Stop. Para. When a juvenile or child or a juvenile in conflict with the law is produced before the board or the committee, as the case may be, it shall determine and declare his age within a period of 30 days from the date of such production. Stop. Para. The board or the committee, as the case may be, shall, as far as possible, decide the juvenility or otherwise, on the basis of physical appearance or documents available, if any. Stop. Where an inquiry is instituted by the board or the committee for determination of age, such inquiry shall be conducted on the basis of following evidence, para. The birth certificate issued by a corporation or a municipal committee or any other notified authority. Stop. The matriculation or equivalent certificate. Stop. In absence of the certificates mentioned in sub clauses 1 and 2, or in case of any contradiction arising therefrom, the authority deciding the age issue may refer the matter to a duly constituted medical board, which shall record its findings and submit to the Juvenile Justice Board. Stop. Para. All government hospitals shall constitute medical boards for medical age examination, consisting of a physiologist, a dental examiner and a radiologist or forensic expert, of whom one shall be notified as the chairperson. Stop. Para. All the members of the medical board shall give their individual findings on age, which shall then be forwarded to the chairperson of the board to give the final opinion on the age within a margin of 1 year. Stop. Para. The duly constituted medical boards shall give their report with the findings on age within 15 days of request being made in this regard. Stop. Para. The learned senior counsel submitted that sub rule 3 of the Rule 74 makes it abundantly clear that in case of any contradiction between the certificates mentioned in sub clause 1 and 2 of the sub rule 3, the authority deciding age may refer the matter to a duly constituted medical board which, in turn, shall record its findings and submit it to the Juvenile Justice Board. Stop.